Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, born and raised in India. I am a native Hindi speaker and I've made these videos so you can begin to learn Hindi an easy way. Today we are gonna learn about
Pronouns in Hindi and English.
सर्वनाम हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में.
A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, they, etc. As we learned in the previous video of subject, object, and verb, pronouns can be related by subject. Subjects, in English, I.
मैं,
When saying the word I in Hindi, मैं, don't pronounce the N at the end of the word. It's more of a nasalization sound. We,
हम,
you,
आप,
he,
वो,
she,
वो,
they.
वो,
For the beginners in Hindi, knowing this information and looking at the list of pronouns should be enough to start with simple sentences. But if you are at an advanced level or want more in-depth information, keep watching to learn about pronouns and subjects in more detail. First person. I,
मैं,
we.
हम,
A compound pronoun is something like both,
दोनों,
all,
सब,
people, or guys,
लोग,
all people, or guys.
सब लोग.
First person plural. We,
हम,
we both, or both of us.
हम दोनों,
We all,
हम सब,
we people, or us guys,
हम लोग,
or we all people, or guys.
हम सब लोग.
Second person pronoun. You, formal,
आप,
you, informal,
तुम,
or you, intimate or singular.
तू.
For you formal, use up in all formal situations to show politeness, like when meeting someone for the first time, talking to someone older than you, like your parent or teacher, or simply to show respect. For you informal, tum is the most common and is used in most informal situations, like when chatting with your friends. You intimate, tu is used in very informal and intimate situations. For example, when talking to your partner or to young children. Tu is also often used in music and poetry to show intimacy and closeness. It would be considered extremely rude to use tu when talking with someone you are not close to and with strangers or elder people. If this difference is a little confusing for you, don't worry. When in doubt, always use up. This is the safest version of the word you, as it's always respectful. In our upcoming videos, you'll hear us use the word up. You, formal singular.
आप,
You both, or both of you.
आप दोनों,
You all.
आप सब,
You people, or you guys.
आप लोग,
All of you people, or all of you guys.
आप सब लोग.
You, informal singular.
तुम,
You both, or both of you.
तुम दोनों,
You all.
तुम सब,
You people, or you guys.
तुम लोग,
All of you people, or all of you guys.
तुम सब लोग.
You, intimate singular.
तू,
Again, it would be considered extremely rude to use tu talking about someone you are not close with and with the strangers and with elder people. Third person singular. He, she, it, this, for near distance.
यह,
Commonly spoken,
ये,
he, she, it, that, for a far distance.
वह,
Commonly spoken,
वो,
in casual spoken Hindi, Ye is used for this, these, and they, and vo is used for that, those, and they. If you're reading or writing a book, then you would say
यह वह
but in casual spoken Hindi, ye or vo are much more common. Third person plural. These, they, for near distance,
ये
or those, they, for far distance.
वे
Commonly spoken,
वो
ye is used for this, these, and they. Vo is used for that, those, and they. These, they,
ये
both of these, or them.
ये दोनों
All of these, or them.
ये सब
These people, or these guys.
ये लोग
All these people, or all these guys.
ये सब लोग
Those, they.
वे
Commonly spoken, you would say vo. Both of those, or them.
वे दोनों वो दोनों
All of those, or them.
वे सब वो सब
Those people, or those guys.
वे लोग वो लोग
All those people, or all those guys.
वे सब लोग वो सब लोग
Now you try to fill in the blanks on screen. The Hindi word for I is
मैं
we,
हम
you,
आप
he,
वो
she,
वो
they.
वो
Try to fill in the question marks on screen. The Hindi word for you, formal, is
आप
we both, or both of us, is
हम दोनों आप सब
in English is you all. These people, or these guys, in Hindi is
ये लोग
all those people, or all those guys, in Hindi is
वे सब लोग और वो सब लोग.
And that's it for today's practice. Great job! Don't forget to watch our next video in this series called Verbs in English and Hindi for Beginners. And be sure to watch the previous video on subjects and objects if you haven't already. Best explaining in Hindi and English.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.